Hello folks and welcome back to another lesson. This one is going out for Jonathan Sumner, who requested Soup by Blind Melon. Now there are two guitar parts and I'm going to show you both of them. The first guitar part, Christopher Thorne's part, is in open E tuning. Now it is played on an acoustic, but for ease I'm just playing it on my electric today. We'll get to the tuning in a sec. Tone for this one, I'm just using my amp clean pretty much. Just on the edge, a break up there. And then for Roger Stevens' parts, the second guitar part, I'm going to show you some tones for that. 1 second. I've switched guitar because this is in standard tuning. So that's my clean tone, but I'm using the Royal Velvet. Just to give it a little bit of gain. And a Phase 90 for those first parts. So we've got... And for the second half of the tune, I'm turning off the phaser and I'm using the Cros Devices flanger for the... So those are the tones. So let's start with Christopher's part, shall we? Tuning, low E stays the same. That A string needs to come up to B, okay? 2 frets. Because you're basically going to be playing, you know, this chord, but without any fingers on the fretboard. The D string, that comes up 2 frets too, to E. And then the G string, that goes up 1 fret, or half a step to G sharp, okay? Now the intro does that. So it's a bar of 5/4 essentially, and then this part, that is the first beat of the verse, okay? So we have the open 6th and 4th string and the 8th fret on the 3rd string. Hammer onto the 10th. And then you use your thumb to do another low E. Then you do 9, 10 on the, well, what would be the B and the G string, okay? And then do 2 whacks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what you're counting out, right? Alright, then you go into this riff. I'll play it around once for you and then we'll break it down. And around again. Alright, so it's not actually as tricky as it might seem. The phrasing's a little bit unusual because it's a measure of 5 bars of 4/4, right? But you can do this. So we have... So I would start here on my 2nd finger. I actually saw a video of Christopher playing this. This is pretty much how he frets it, okay? So you're going to play, start with the thumb, and a hammer on from the 7th to the 9th. This is on the 5th string, okay? Then you go to the 5th fret, and you're going to play that. Then you move down to the 2nd fret. Now you could play that 5th fret as an open E, right? But he doesn't. He plays. So I would do that too. It makes the finger picking a little bit more efficient. So you just got to move your fingers around. Okay? So the first 2 bars again slowly. 3, 4. Next bar you play. Play that and then you're around again. Alright, so here we have Here you're just playing, sliding from the 5th to the 7th. But in between the 2nd and the 4th, you'll play B-E. And again there I'm using my thumb and my 1st and 2nd fingers. Then he plays, just flattens his 1st finger, right? That's the chord you're going to play later. Okay, with that, with the other guitar playing that, okay? So, pretty straightforward, and then you have this. Same concept as that bit, okay? It's just a little run up. You're going 5, 7, 9 on the low E. And you're actually using these 2 fingers to play the 3rd and 2nd string. Like that, and then around again. So I'll do it one more time round slowly, okay? 3, 4. Next up we have the bridge. I'll play it all the way around. It goes. And then it stops there, right? So then it goes round again. Oops, messed that up. Alright, so back to this part. So we're playing the same as the beginning. That's the same as the very first bar. But then you're going to play play that, okay? That again one more time. Here I move my fingers up so you can play. Get those easier. So again one more time. And that bit at the end. That little rolling part there, right? Then you go to this. Again, you're just alternating between then you stop there, okay? Again. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky, but just slow it down until you can play it. And then round again. That last part there is slightly different, so we go. Then you play. Just double stops, 7, 7, 5. Then we're going to the second verse. That's pretty much the same as before. Into that, right? Just open strings. Then you go into the bridge and the verse again, but then coming out of the bridge it gets extended, so you from here you then play Then you play. Okay, and then we're into the kind of outro part then, right? So, the rolling part. Really lovely, isn't it? But from here. So we've got 0. 2nd fret, then 4th fret. There you're playing the open B, right, for the last note. Same pattern again, this time. You're on the 4th string. Then, 1st finger and 2nd finger, if you like. I mean, you could do like a G shape, really. Again, I'm using my top 3 fingers here to do that part. This is actually a bar of 6/4, and then you've got a little bit of arpeggiation, then up 1 more fret. So slowly. And that just rings out. Now the other guitar part's a bit more interesting here with the... But all Christopher's playing here is this. That's it, okay? So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's the rhythm throughout. Then open. Do that 3 times, and there's a slight variance. And that variance is just you go to the 10th fret on the 2nd bar. And the rhythm's slightly different, so it's down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, okay? Alright, then you go back around that main riff, 2 bars of that, 2 bars of that, and then the outro is just... And that is it. So next up, the other guitar part. We've got our phaser and a little bit of distortion going on. So we have this. 2, 3, 4. Alright, that's the first part. So we have 16, 17 to top part of an E major chord, right, which is 13, 12, 12. Then 14, 12, right, with that double stop 13th fret there on the G still sounding out. Okay, so we've got then we have that is just, let me turn the phaser off for a sec. And then you're going to tag on at the end. So that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Alright, then round again. Alright, so that's the second part. So we have... You really need the effect for that, don't you? So the second time round would be... So to count that, you would go from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, then when it goes back into the verse, we're going to play this. And around again. Really straightforward pentatonic stuff, really. It's just... That's really straightforward. Again, let me turn off the phaser. Just note you go to that one slightly quicker, the 5th fret on the E, right? And then you play... So that is 6-5, 6-7. And then a double stop down here on the B and the G. Then you just repeat that around, and then you're into this outro part with the flanger, which goes 2, 3, 4. And around, okay? It's really cool. You've got, starts on the 4-and with the... It's basically a B, or the sort of low part of a B major, but with the, I think, the open B and E. Just sounds lovely with the flanger as well, right? So you've got 3, 4. So an upstroke to start, and then we go. The way I strum it is down, down, up, 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 down, down. Like that, okay? So you're going to do that twice. Then you go to this E major. Again, you play it round twice, so it's just... You play that around 3 times, then the variance is... So that again, we have... Slide up to the 10th fret and you play... Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, down. Then you stick on the E. Something along those lines, right, with the strumming. So there I just played down, down, up, 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 down, up, down. Nearly there. Then we do the first part again, I think just twice. And then the outro. And then you're done, so you just end on the E. And then rest. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.